And today I'm going to show you how to turn the lights on in the co-op space in 707. First thing you will want to do is go to the back of the building to the breaker panel and turn on the breakers that are labeled dimmer. This will bring power to the system. Second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come up here to this light board. On the back, kind of on the top right, there is a power switch. You're going to turn that on and you're going to see lights turn on. If you don't, check to make sure it's plugged in. Next, you're going to want to hit this button on the bottom right, which is called blackout. That's going to allow lights to be turned on. If it's in blackout mode, nothing will be outputted. Next thing you want to do is you want to come up here and you want to make sure that you're in this A double preset B option. Now if you hit this button that says mode select, you'll see that it goes through the different options. You just want to go to where you have the yellow light in the middle on. Next thing you want to do is you want to make sure this last fader on the bottom is all the way down, the second to last one is all the way down, and the third to last one is all the way up, and then just leave them there and ignore that. Next thing you're going to want to do is take a look at your faders. What we have done is we've set it so that these faders and these faders each control the same lights. However, if you look at these two faders here, labeled A and B, each corresponds to one bank or the other. So A, this first fader, will be the intensity for all of these up here, while this second one, B, will control the intensity for all of these here. What that allows you to do is you can set up your first look on the top bank on A, make sure A is at 10 and B is at 0. Then you can have your, let's say your blackout after your pre-show look as B. So you will then, to crossfade between the two, just fade both of these down, bringing A to 0 and B to 10. But since nothing's brought up, you'll see that it's dark on stage. So now, since A is at 0, you can set up your third cue, so lights up for your first scene. So we'll just set some random lights up there and then cross dissolve back to this top bank. Now with this bottom bank free, you can set up your fourth look and you're good to go. And that is how you control the lights in 707.